Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix cannot hear the car sound during intromission error in the atomic heart. I will show you the 5 methods to solve this error. I hope one of them will work for you. So moving to our first method, you have to just right click on the Windows icon at the bottom left corner and then click on the device manager. And in your device manager, you have to just search for an option sound, video and the game controller. Just expand it and then right click on the software or the driver that you have installed in your device for audio and click on the update driver here. After this, you have to just click on search automatically for drivers, and after this you will find that the best driver for your device are already installed. So click on the search for updated driver or Windows update. So check for the update. If any update is available, then you have to just update it and your problem will be fixed. So it was basically updating your audio driver that has installed in your PC or system. Now moving to our second method, which is the most effective method to solve this error, is that you have to just update the GPU drivers or the graphic card drivers. So if you are using the NVIDIA driver, then you have to just open the GeForce Experience website and check that if any update is available. Similarly, in the case of the NMDA, you have to just open the Radeon graphics driver website and then check that if any update is available, then you have to just update it. If you are using the Intel driver, then you have to just open this website and click on the download now, and doing so hopefully your driver will be updated and your problem will be fixed. And in the third method, you have to just verify the integrity of your game files. For this, you have to just open the Steam library and then right click on the atomic heart and then click on the properties, click on the local files and then click on the verify integrity of the game files. Doing so, you have to just restart your game and this time your problem will be fixed. Moving to our fourth method, you have to just try to uninstall your audio driver and again install it, and similarly you have to just uninstall your game and reinstall it. After doing so, hopefully your problem will be fixed. If not, then you have to just contact to the support team of the atomic heart and they will help you to solve your error. Moving to our last method, you have to just restart your system one time, as in some cases this is enough to restart your PC to solve this error. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. Leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.